guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a PR package sent by Ipanema Philippines. They just released their new holiday collection and they sent me a pair to show you guys. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I do unboxings and reviews of bags, shoes, and makeup, so if these are the kinds of things that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF. So Ipanema Philippines sent me a package, which is over here. So this is their PR package, and Ipanema is actually the first big and local brand that I'm working with. The brands that I've worked with before are usually from abroad, so they send the items over here for me to review. However, Ipanema is the first brand that actually has a marketing team based here, so they are the first big brand with Philippine representatives that I'm working with. This is a big partnership for me because Ipanema has been a long-standing slipper brand, especially here in my country. I've used their slippers way back when they first launched when I was still in high school, so it's been a long time. I'm almost 30 now and this brand is still going strong. So I'm very grateful for this partnership with them, and without further ado, I am now going to open this huge PR package. So it just comes in this huge box, and it's just a plain white box, and it says Ipanema over there in the front in pink lettering. And if you're wondering why it's so huge, it's just a pair of slippers, it's because it's their PR package. And this box is like huge. It almost looks like I'm going to be unboxing a designer brand or something. And this is what the PR package basically came in. And look at that, how freaking beautiful. Like, they really thought this entire thing out. Like, even the box is so pretty. And inside, as you can see, you have the slippers that they gave and a letter. And it says, "Hello Trish, welcome to Ipanema family. We are happy to have you on our team as we embark on the journey for sustainable fashion for all #Ipanema women." And inside, as you can see, there's the slippers that they sent along with a tote bag over here and the t-shirt. So I'll just put this over here while I show you guys the slippers. So I'll start with the slippers and I'll just show you guys the other freebies that they sent. So these are the Ipanema Kirei Glam Black slippers, and as you can see, they have that bit of sparkle on them because it's for their holiday collection. So they're kind of glittery both on the straps and even on the sole. These slippers come in like a rose pink, a dark pink, a gold, and like a deep sea blue. So there are lots of options and all of them have that like glittery effect. And it's really nice. As you can see, when I move it, the light reflects all that glitter, which is very cute and sparkly. What I like about Ipanema the most is that they're so soft. As you can see, like just wiggling them as so, like you can see how soft these slippers are. They're very flexible, and I'm sure you will be able to compare it with like other more stiff slippers out there. Back when I was in high school, Ipanema was already a very popular brand, especially when the flip-flops trend was very in. Like back when everyone just wore flip-flops with everything, like Ipanema was already a brand that a lot of people wore. So it's really good to know that they stood strong, and now they're continuing to release new designs for the younger generation. These slippers are made in Brazil, 100% recyclable, and are ethically made. Brazil is a country that produces good rubber. That's why it's no wonder that these Ipanema slippers have very good quality. Now on to the other things that they sent in the PR package. They sent a very cute tote bag, which I thought was really special. It's just a canvas tote bag, and then it has like some leather straps over here, and it's just perfect for the beach. And they also sent a shirt over here. It's just a plain white Ipanema shirt, and it just has Ipanema embroidered on there. And you guys know how much I love shirts that are embroidered instead of printed, so Ipanema really had budget for this PR package. So that's about it for my unboxing of these new Kirei slippers from Ipanema. If you're interested in getting a pair, I will just link this product down below, and you can check Ipanema's website for more fun and cute designs. I'm so excited to wear these out, and they are definitely perfect for the holidays. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I wish you all a happy holidays. Bye!